During the tamp cycle, the workheads perform three actions: downfeed, squeeze in, squeeze out, and upfeed. It may be necessary to adjust the workhead's position and speed for each of these three phases. For the lower squeeze position or downfeed, adjust tamping tool so that the top of the tamping tool blade is approximately 1/4 to 1/2 inch below the bottom of the cross tie at full insertion. The correct workhead depth prevents the tamping tool pads from pressing against the sides of the ties or tamping too deep during the squeeze cycle. Improper adjustment can lead to improper compaction and poor quality tamping. To adjust the tamping tool depth, dig the ballast out at the head of the cross tie so that the bottom of the tie is exposed. Measure the tie from top to bottom, then add 1/2 inch to the tie measurement. From the top of the tamper blade, measure the calculated depth and mark this position on the shank. Do this on all 4 workheads. Unlock workhead. Turn on vibrator with manual workhead joystick. Cycle workhead. The marks on the tamping tool should be at the top of the tie being tamped. To set the lower squeeze position on the variable workhead depth control panel, it is best to adjust one workhead at a time. With the machine still positioned over a tie to be tamped, activate the variable workhead depth control panel by moving it to the second toolbar, select F5, then select F2. Hit F2 to continue through this screen. Once at tamping depth and height setting, use the plus and minus keys to raise or lower the selected workhead. Press Enter or Escape to save the settings and exit the panel. Tamping tool depth will vary between wood and concrete ties, with different rail sizes and tie sizes, and with different fastening or tie plate systems. Take the time to know the track you're working.